This is Devyn, and this is Natalie, and we're here to celebrate their wedding!
Woo-hoo!
Yay!
Hello, everyone!
Good morning from our final day in Rome for this part of the trip. We are packing up and leaving our Airbnb to walk the 13 minutes to Billy's aunt and uncle's Airbnb with all of our bags, and then get in a car with them and drive 3.5 hours into the countryside to do some wedding stuff.
Expand across the fields like chrysanthemums in blue. It's doing so much to feel when we're all just taking sides. So work it out, stick it out, work it out. Oh, 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 oh. And a promise is a promise. Will you finish what you started? I was born to believe that the change in the leaves could really mean anything. Love, I crossed the mountains and the ocean for ya.
We are doing wedding stuff. Today has been absolute chaos, but we are finally here at the venue. We are running a little bit late. We're supposed to be doing a cooking class really quickly. Once we somehow get settled in, we will show you this incredible location that we are so lucky to be staying at as wedding guests. Our room is beautiful, and there's a bathtub. Yes! You see that bathtub?
We can go this way? Okay. Okay, so courtyard is where dinner is tonight. Yes. Okay. Breakfast.
We're gonna go do a cooking class right now. We're super excited, but we're also super late, so.
Nice job. Good pick.
This is so cute. I love that. I said put food in here literally and we make you We'll stay. This is where you clean. This is where they cook stuff.
And then tagliatelle with tomato sauce. And for dessert, we are doing salame de re. It's an Italian dessert. Yes, it's like salami. Then you'll see. And with chocolate, yes. For each person, it's 100 grams of flour and 1 egg.
Mettiamo l'uovo.
We're doing like a vulcano.
Fate una grande fontana, grande.
No more flour in the bowl.
No, but you talk about it.
I don't know, I think good.
I heard you.
Just to see, I need that old love, and I'm swimming in the dark. I need that cool love, and I'm frozen from the start. Frozen from the start. Oh, the straight lines to see, but it was dark inside and out. How long to hear your breath? How long to hear your sigh?
All right, guys. How's it going?
Doesn't look like this.
It's the best description.
And the promise is a promise. Will you finish what you started? I was born to believe that the change in the leaves could really mean anything. Love, I crossed the mountains and the ocean for ya. Just to see, I need that old love, and I'm swimming in the dark. I need that cool love, and I'm frozen.
He's helping me. I was failing miserably.
Oh, I feel what I have become. Won't you go get me? All I got left is love. Won't you go get me? I'll go to the forest with a samurai sword it out. Spill out all of my love.
We're on the resting
Record.
stage.
Don't scrunch it. You don't know what you're doing.
30 minutes. Yes.
I have zero confidence in this turning out anything edible, so we'll
Oh,
see.
you're gonna. Who's this gonna be better? That's the real question. I like the confidence. Look at that.
Yours looks good. I was doing a great job. Did you see
So we're
the
making
glass meal I
ravioli,
have over
which
here?
is probably
I
my
was doing so
favorite
well.
pasta on the face of the planet. I'm so excited.
Che ci fai domani?
Volete venire? Gli dici se vengono qua così vedono magari.
If you wanna go
Vieni.
Pig, don't open your eyes so
Allora,
wide.
picotta. Mettiamo.
I know, clearly.
Mettiamo. Io vi faccio vedere, questo vi spiego. Lo mettiamo, Peppe?
Do you like pepper? Everyone likes pepper?
Yeah.
Ma un po', non molto. Poi noi mettiamo noce moscata.
No.
Qua sentite? Come si chiama?
Nutmeg.
Poi si mette la passata
Tomato sauce.
e si fa
Just tomato.
bollire altri 20 minuti.
20 minutes of boiling.
Sale, pepe,
Okay.
sale e pepe.
And that's it.
Anche se odore.
Me?
Don't burn yourself. I was like, very hot?
Ooh. Actually, it's very good.
We're going to
How did I become the main character? It's supposed to be you.
C'è la carne. Carrots and
Poi mettiamo la carne, dopo 20 minuti che
after
bolle,
20 minutes boiling of the tomato sauce, we add
aggiungiamo la carne.
Small rose blues turned in the water as my body fell to the side, but I fell deeper into the scent of your love, silently waiting for your infinite embrace, and then you float with your arms around me, closing on the distance. Eternity is endless now that you're by my side. Each sensation is a memory from our lives.
He's like, what's that fuzzy thing? Dylan, he's like, run, Grandpa's coming for me.
There you go.
Okay. I'll move here today. This is great. I just want to learn Italian. Yes. Come along. We're all moving to Italy. This is it. We're all moving to Italy.
Hear that, Jack? You
Bye,
have a place in
everybody.
Italy.
Bye.
I don't have to.
We're making dessert.
Are we?
Yes, we are doing a great job. The batter that we mixed earlier, and then coffee, and then like a liqueur that's just for baking. It's very sweet. And then
Oh, we're
chocolate.
gonna roll it.
The salami.
It's cooler outside, so we're
Oh, now you roll. Okay.
Hey, thanks. I didn't find it. I like that. I'll let you. She just needs a bit of whatever. Whenever
Mine doesn't look anything like it.
Facciamo questo movimento.
But it looks like everyone else's. So.
E giriamo la pasta. Va bene, giriamo.
making ravioli. Piccolo, small, but I don't know if it's too big.
Small.
Tons of fun. I can't wait to eat it. I hope mine doesn't explode.
Allora, per fare le tagliatelle facciamo questo. Allora, pieghiamo la pasta come abbiamo fatto prima per i ravioli.
We
Va
fold
bene?
always in a half.
Quindi facciamo questo, pieghiamo fino alla metà. come
Fold
prima.
until the half. And then
La
stop.
stessa cosa di sopra,
And go back.
fino alla metà. Va bene? Vedete che la parte sopra è un pochino più bassa di quella sotto.
The upper side
Viene un
is
pochino più indietro.
smaller.
Allora, l'importante è mettere le mani bene, se no ci tagliamo. Allora,
Always
non
keep the
così,
finger
chiaramente,
back, 'cause-
no. Così, cioè la falange deve battere sul coltello. La falange del dito. Una volta sola, non ripassare, Poi, guarda, facciamo così. Prendiamo quel lembo che è più corto, che abbiamo lasciato più indietro,
Has to be shorter too.
lo mettiamo sull'altra mano e facciamo questo. Ecco fatte le tagliatelle e ci facciamo il nido. Va bene? Ok? Facile, facile, Pronti? Mi raccomando qui, Brava, così. Ecco, brava. Netto. Uno.
Just one cut and go
Fine, piccolino.
down.
So stinking fun. I just want to do that every day. Every day.
One more.
Oh, really? Oh, is this where? No, y'all are doing this. No, we're not doing this. We're doing dinner
We'll
here.
come into dinner here.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So come.
Now that we have all mildly successfully made pasta, they are going to cook it up for us, and Natalie and Devyn are giving us a quick tour of their wedding venue. It's beautiful here. Can I move in now, please?
I'm really glad that made it.
You guys were so natural when you walked through. It was amazing.
It's been good and it's been fun.
work it out, stick it out, work it out. Oh, 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 oh. And a promise is a promise. Will you finish what you started?
That food was delicious.
I'm so sorry that we forgot to vlog dinner, but more guests showed up and we were all very hungry. So we just dove right in.
I mean, I got a couple shots of the food, but it was
Oh my gosh.
very good.
So good. I'm so glad too that we all got recipes for what we made today so that we can go home and make it, and I'm just gonna make pasta all the time at home.
This place is absolutely stunning.
It's incredible. We were talking to Devyn earlier, and he was saying, if I remember correctly, I think he said that this house dates from 1402, 1406, very early 1400s, except for the chapel, which was built in the 1200s.
We're very lucky to be here. We're very excited.
Thank you, Natalie and Devyn, for inviting us to your wedding.
We are exhausted. We are going to get some much needed sleep. I think Lydia's going to try out the bathtub, but we are going to call it for the night. And then tomorrow we're going to do another food tour.
Is it a food tour?
I don't know. We're going to do a tour with a bunch of people from the wedding, so we don't really know what's going to go on, but it should be fun.
Does it really mean anything, love? I crossed the